Welcome back to our channel, tea lovers. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore, the world of Chinese green tea. Grab your favorite cup, sit back, and let's dive into the unknown facts about this incredible beverage. Green tea has been an integral part of Chinese culture for thousands of years. Not only is it delicious and refreshing, but it also offers numerous health benefits. So, let's get started with our first unknown fact. Did you know that Chinese green tea is not oxidized? Unlike black or oolong tea, the leaves of green tea are heated or pan-fried to halt the oxidation process, preserving their natural green color and delicate flavors. Fact number 2, China is the birthplace of green tea. The country boasts a rich history of tea cultivation, and it's known for producing some of the finest green teas in the world. Famous varieties include Longjing, Dragon Well, Biluochun, and Huangshan Maofeng. Another intriguing fact is that green tea is often associated with tranquility and mindfulness. In China, the tea ceremony is a revered practice that embodies harmony, respect, and a deep appreciation for nature. It's a beautiful way to connect with the tea's essence. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of Chinese green tea. Fact number 4, it's packed with antioxidants. Green tea contains polyphenols, such as catechins, which are known for their powerful antioxidant properties. These compounds help combat free radicals and may promote overall health and well-being. Fact number 5, Chinese green tea can be brewed multiple times. Unlike other teas, the leaves used for green tea can be infused several times, yielding a new and unique flavor profile with each brew. It's like experiencing a journey through the different layers of taste. Moving on to fact number 6, green tea can contain a moderate amount of caffeine. However, don't worry if you're sensitive to caffeine because the levels in green tea are generally lower than in coffee. You can still enjoy a cup or two without feeling jittery. Lastly, fact number 7, Chinese green tea is incredibly versatile. Not only can you enjoy it hot, but it's also delicious when served chilled as an iced tea. Plus, you can experiment with various flavors by adding natural ingredients like mint, lemon, or even fruits. And there you have it, tea enthusiasts. Some fascinating and lesser-known facts about Chinese green tea. Its rich history, health benefits, and versatility make it a true gem among teas. As always, thanks for joining us on this tea adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below sharing your favorite green tea variety or any unique experiences you've had with it. Until next time, keep steeping and savoring the wonderful world of tea. Cheers!